Hey everyone, are ClickUp notifications not working properly? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common notification issues in ClickUp and make sure you receive important updates step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, check your ClickUp notification settings by opening your profile settings and going to the asterisk notifications ** section. Make sure the notifications you need are enabled. I mean, if certain alerts are turned off, ClickUp will not send updates for those activities. Next, check your workspace, space, folder, and list notification settings to make sure you are subscribed to the correct areas. Open the tasks where you are missing notifications and confirm that you are assigned to the task or added as a watcher. Next, check your email notification settings and make sure the correct email address is connected to your ClickUp account. If you use the ClickUp mobile app, check your device notification settings and make sure app notifications are allowed. Next, update the ClickUp app or refresh your browser to make sure you are using the latest version. Clear your browser cache or restart the app if notifications are delayed or not appearing correctly. If you are still having issues, log out of ClickUp, sign back in, and test your notifications again. Finally, review your notification preferences regularly and customize them to receive only the updates that are important to you.